This is the Ibis Manchester Central room tour. Start at the door because I've got to show you this, guys. It's very musically themed. Here comes the sun. And enjoy the silence. Let me know in the comments and what you think those songs are entitled to, were from. But look, I must say, the room's really nice. It smells very clean when I came in too. I'll show you the bathroom. Hello. Instead of bubbles, we've now got rock your body. I'll show you the shower area. If my memory serves correctly, and I will test this later on, the shower head on this, it has like lights in it, so it actually come on while you're showering, which is really clever, to be honest with you. Show you the bed. Nice TV on the wall there. Nice little workspace. This is like a cube. You can put all like your chargers on. So you got a couple of USB ports and loads of plugs on there for power cube. It's very clever how they've done that. We also got a bit of tea, a bit of coffee on there as well. Nice little wardrobe space. As you can see, I've got my jacket on there, and just behind there is also a hair dry. Also, one of the things he told me at reception, which I think is really good, the Cafe Chill 96. They do pizzas, snacks, toasties, and if you're a core member, like me, if you're Limitless core members, you can get 15% off any of the drinks, which is, I think, is really good, to be honest. So here you go. That, ladies and gentlemen, is the room tour of the Ibis Manchester Central.